Welcome to P&R's presentation for BodyPass online event. My name is Laura Boura. I'm a designer at P&R and I'm responsible for the operational developments or research and development projects. I have 20 years experience on active sportswear market, from design to product development, supporting production and sales. Today, I will share with you a brief presentation of our company, as well as our participation in BodyPass project. I will introduce P&R, share our company policy and partnerships, as well as our core business. Then I will speak about the importance of fitting in sports business, on our role on BodyPass project, and about the use of 3D data. P&R was founded in 1982. It's located in Barcelos in northern Portugal, and it has 220 employees. We are focused on manufacturing technical sports garments for major brands in the field of active sportswear and competition wear. We work on back-to-back solutions from early stage development to manufacturing. Our mission is to present technical solutions for innovative sports clothing of high performance, quality, and comfort, ensuring sustainable business growth. Innovation is assumed to be an essential activity for the success of our company. In this sense, we can say that innovation is part of our DNA. It's implemented in the investment policy in terms of our organization and processes, and also on our products, from conception to sales, and on their use by athletes in high competition sports. We are certified by the systems implemented in social accountability, quality management system, research development and innovation management system, and environmental good practices. We develop and produce products for sports technical garments, for global brands under private label, and also for our own brands, Onda and Flinks. P&R has a network of partnerships, nationally and internationally, with whom we participate in multidisciplinary projects of research, development, and investigation. These partnerships comprise universities, laboratories, private companies, and also our clients. We are members of the Portuguese Innovation Association, COTEC, and also one of the founding members of the Portuguese Textile Cluster. We are fully dedicated to 100% technical sports garments, such as running, track and field, cycling, rugby, swimwear, fitness wear, as well as other collective and individual sports. We work with worldwide brands. More than 95% of our production is for exportation. Competition wear developed by P&R enabled high performance to several thousands of Olympic athletes since Atlanta 96. In the next section, I will speak about the importance of fitting in the sports business. In this market segment aimed at high-performance athletes, several prototypes are elaborated until the final result is obtained, a perfect fit. The importance of this development is related to the fact that garments worn by the athlete influence his performance, achievements, and results. Badly fitted clothing can cause friction and injury. Loose shorts can cause drag on the pedaling motion. A tight top can prevent fluid movement, among so many other examples. So P&R has several tools available that allow us to respond effectively to the most challenging customer expectations. These comprise our creative laboratory, in-house testing lab for fabrics and trims that ensure quality in all the received batches, our 3D body scanner, our 3D pattern making software, amongst others. Now, I will share with you P&R's involvement in this project. Our main role was to test the API ecosystem developed by BodyPass for processing and exchanging 3D data and demonstrate their usefulness. Our intervention in the project is as an end user, reporting the anonymized information in a secure manner respecting privacy protocols. BodyPass tools enable us to retrieve accurate metrics for the development of sports garments, reducing the amount of prototypes needed to achieve a perfect fit for customized products. During BodyPass, we developed a pilot for consumer goods sector within the sports segment. We invited a cyclist team to participate in this pilot, the professional team Rádio Popular Boa Vista. We explained the purpose and objectives of the project to the athletes, as well as the confidentiality of their data. And both parties signed informed consent to participate in the pilot. I will now detail the steps of our pilot. The first step was to make the body scan of the athletes with our in-house 3D body scanner. On step 2, the 3D body scanners were sent to IBV through BodyPass APIs to be processed. The objective was to retrieve accurate 3D human models and metrics for the development of the cycling garments. On step 3, we developed a capsule collection for the team, consisting of a cycling jersey and bib short. During step 4, the data obtained from BodyPass was inserted to P&R's 3D pattern making software. So we adjusted the clothing patterns to each athlete's measurements. This process allows us to reduce the amount of prototypes needed to achieve a perfect fit, improving the efficiency of the process. The 5th step was the production of the cycling garments, and the 6th and last step was the delivery of the garments to the athletes. So BodyPass tools allow us to retrieve accurate metrics for the development of sports garments, reducing the amount of prototypes needed to achieve a perfect fit for customized products. BodyPass blockchain network also gives access to 3D information on averages from specific target consumers, for example, by country or age. This is interesting if you are penetrating new market segments, since it will provide extra information so you can adjust the product to the fit of the intended market. Looking to the future, BodyPass represents the next step in the secure transmission of 3D data between sectors. It creates the possibility to have access to a customer scan and metrics from any part of the world to be used to produce an in-house garment perfectly fitting this customer without the need of fitting travels. This takes even more importance and relevance when we consider the sustainability in the textile sector, with the concern of the reduction of costs, debate in 4.0 industry, and the digitalization of the segment, with the growth of the digital markets. On this final note, I conclude my presentation. I thank you for joining us today, and I would be happy to answer any questions you may have now.
Okay, thank you very much, Laura. We have 2 questions. First is about with the markets digitalization, there is even a greater proximity between the producers and the clients. mostly driven by the market tendency to customize. Do you think BodyPass tools will contribute to enhance even more this tendency?
Yes, I believe so. In P&R, we already work for a long time with customized products, but mostly it's on a design-based. The client can change the colors, the logos, the background for the garment. But I think now with BodyPass tools, we reach another level for customization because it will allow us to work with the client's avatar and their metrics. Yes. Sorry,
it's okay.
Okay, so it will allow us to work with the client avatar and their metrics, which can be received from any part of the world. So we will have a closer relationship with the client. It gives us some proximity.
Okay, thank you. And the last one was how do you see the share of information using BodyPass between the health sector and the consumer goods sector?
3D data sharing is very sensitive. But when we speak about the health sector, it's even more sensitive. It has extra security restrictions. So the only way we can have access is through the averages of the data. But even so, I think averages have a great potential because they can give us information from a general population. And this could pave the way to introduce a new product to a market you want to start in, but that's fitted, already adjusted to that market, regardless of the proximity.
Okay, so thank you very much, Laura.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you again for listening.
This session is finished. See you in the last session of this event. Thank you.
Thank you.